a no contact order. I will be sending there are actual videos of him in the videos. He's taking videos and sending them to her. Mr. Shar, him and other women, I'm not sure. She sends a copy of the image and says you're not supposed to settlement conference.
Judge, there is an issue I would like to address before we get into the settlement conference. Judge, the complaints present today in court, she did indicate to myself as well as the First Step advocate that a defendant in this case has been reaching out to her via telephone, leaving her voicemail. And she also indicated to me that he has been sending her explicit photos of herself back to her, Judge. So this is an issue that we would like to address now. I did make counsel, it's my understanding that he was just retained, and I did make him aware of that.
Mr. Sharp, so are you the new attorney on this case?
I am, Your Honor. As of this morning, I filed my appearance on Friday.
Okay. So ma'am, do you have your telephone with you?
Yes.
And did you have a chance to hear any of these messages?
We could have it, Judge. Would the court like to hear the messages or see the messages?
Mr. Sharp.
Yes, Your Honor.
There's an allegation that your client is violating the conditions of his bond.
I hope not, Your Honor. He knows better.
Well, me too. But I'm going to see what Ms. Jones has here. So if you can produce that for me when Ms. Jones gets to it,
Judge.
you may.
You different.
Anything that you were sent, and ma'am, I know this is somewhat embarrassing, and I'm not trying to embarrass you or disrespect you, but is there something you can show me that you know only he would have? Do you have messages from him that show that he says something or has some other content in it that would...
That only he would have, yes.
Yeah, that would clarify that?
It's so much. 1 second.
Are you responding to these messages?
In most instances, no, there's only 1/3. So that for sure is him saying like, oh, this is not me that's doing all this texting me. But
Yo, hit me up. Nevertheless, we going through everything. We going through that girl lying on me. Never would I disrespect you. I hurt behind this. In time, everything will work out. And is that a number that you associated with him?
yes,
All right. And do you have something going on with him that might involve the girl lying on him?
no.
Okay, you're not sure what the content is?
If
He sent you explicit photographs of yourself?
and other women.
Okay. Were those explicit photographs of yourself photographs that he took? Or photographs that you sent him?
Yes, no, he took a video of me getting out of the shower that I did not give him permission to take.
Sharp's not looking good for Mr. Bankhead.
This is where, right after this happened, he got somebody texting me, oh, you want this bag?
Ma'am, can you come closer to that microphone? I know you're speaking with Mr. Shadra, but I need to make sure a record's being made. What is that?
This is one where he's referencing the no contact order, Judge.
All right, there's a text that he's referencing the no contact order.
So that is a woman that works for Saks, and she sent me these bags after this incident happened. So I just let her know that we have a no contact order in place, but she wasn't aware of that.
So that's third party contact, and the video, was that sent to you from a number you associated with him, or was that, you don't have to show me the video, ma'am. Were you able to show the advocate that video?
I've shown her videos of other women that he sent like within the past maybe 2.
All right.
But the one that he sent to me was a while ago.
But it was after I put in the no contact order? I set bond conditions on this. Well, Judge Salamone did, he was filling in for me. Was it after that date?
Not that video, no, it was before then. But the video of other women was after the no contact order.
All right, so the video of you was before the no contact, but other women have been sent to you, or videos of other women have been sent to you since the no contact order?
Yes, this was such a different woman. These are like just videos that he has sent me.
Mr. Bankhead, what part of no contact is complicated for you? Don't answer me. But Mr. Shar, what am I to do with this? I've got a complaining witness on a domestic violence who has contact literally on her phone from after the no contact order was put in place, showing that the defendant is in fact contacting her.
Judge, I understand the allegations. My client indicates her at all or contact her by any number that he owns. So I don't know where these numbers from or who's sending them. It could be a third party that's doing that. But if you could strongly let my client know that whoever he's in communication with is sending these text messages to her, which is improper and not allowed by the court order.
Mr. Bankhead, I want to be super clear to you. I have zero issue with throwing you in the Wayne County Jail while this case is pending and setting a high cash bond for you. It won't make me flinch. I won't lose sleep at night. You will sit there while this case works its way through the system. You are not to contact the complaining witness of this case, and you can't have anyone else do it either. Are we clear?
Yeah, yes. I speak to you, Your Honor.
Mr. Bankhead, you have a right to remain silent. I would encourage you to listen to what I'm saying and for you to have contact with your attorney and discuss it with your attorney before you make too many statements on this record, sir.
Okay.
I just want to be clear with you on that. But I'm making notations on this file that there have been communications, or the complaining witness is certainly alleging there are.
These two breakers.
You're violating contact order. I will be sending there are actual videos of him in the videos. He's taking videos and sending them to her. Mr. Shard, he is taking the video and holding his phone like this, sending them with him and other women. I'm not sure. She sends a copy of the image and says, you're violating a no contact order. I'll send this to the prosecutor. Good day. This not Tank, this is girl, stupid police ass girl. Now tell the prosecutor, that weird ass bitch, I was waiting on you to slip up. Bitch, this me. And then this is crazy. This is crazy. Mr. Shajra. What are you asking for?
Judge, we're asking that the defendant's bond be revoked and a high cash bond be implemented as a result of the violation of the no contact, no go to order.
He was given a $500 cash bond, Mr. Shar. Like the videos are clear. It's him taking the videos.
Judge, as I indicated, I just got on this case. My client claimed he had nothing to do with that at all. I don't know if someone is sending these to the victim or not. I'm not sure. I have no idea. This is the first time I've ever heard of these messages. My client, I informed him of that this morning. He's adamantly denying that he had anything to do with that, because I told him there should be no contact at all with the victim in this case.
Oh, I heard, man.
So if the court can kindly give him one more chance and to show you that he has not had any contact with her at all.
I mean, how much does she have to put up with before he changes his way? I mean, I'm looking at the phone. It's abundantly clear that these messages are coming from your client. And I know you're new to the case, Mr. Shard, and you haven't had an opportunity to counsel him on my tolerance for defendants in domestic violence cases violating my no contact order. But
And I definitely understand, Your Honor, and I definitely understand the victim's position in this matter as well. All I can say is my client adamantly denies that he would try to violate his bond. He's on supervised release for the federal court anyway as well, so he's really on a tight rope. And I know how the court feels about these kind of cases, and I don't believe that he would have any involvement any further with this victim till this case is resolved.
He's under federal supervision right now. Is there a case pending?
No, he's done with his case, Your Honor. He's on, it's sort of like parole, but they call it supervised release in the federal system.
Okay. You'd think he'd know better.
That's why I'm really surprised, Your Honor. I've known Mr. Bankhead for years, and he knows better. So that's why I'm really surprised that this even came up.
I do find he violated the no contact order. The documentation here is clear. I mean, I'm amending the bond. He's a $7,000 cash bond. He can post that or he can turn himself in at this court by tomorrow at 8 a.m.
Is that 7,000 cash surety, Your Honor, or 7,000 cash?
Cash surety.
Thank you.
By 8 a.m. And ma'am,
All right,
if he contacts you or anyone contacts you, I want you to immediately make a police report and I want you to contact your advocate and the prosecutor forthwith so we can come right to court. We don't have to wait 3 weeks for a court date. If he contacts you or you believe he's contacting you, you contact your advocates and we will set a hearing forthwith. Okay. All right, we're all set.